Hello, viewers. Today, Monday, we are talking of many members, one body. Many members, one body. When you read in the book of um, 1 Corinthians 12:12, 1 Corinthians 12, verse 12, which says that, for as the body is one and has many members, but all the members of the same one body, being many, are one body, so also Christ. So also Christ. So God is one, but each member of the Godhead has its own word, has its own function. Likewise, with the church is one, but each component of it has its own function as part of the body of Christ on earth. We see that Paul uses this analogy of the human body as the church to highlight unity in diversity. So the eye has the gift of sight, but the ear does not do what? Does not. However, the two complement each other, working together similarly according to the gift they have received from what? From one or from the same spirit. The same way we have different types of gifts. Some speak in tongues. Some have the gift of interpretation, interpreting of the tongues. Have mercy, leaders. They have generosity. All these members, they have different gifts, but all these gifts, they come from the same spirit. They come from the same spirit. So we see that this implies that everyone is needed, that no one is greater than the other. And then everyone should care about the well-being of others, and that everyone should work to the unity of the church. So as we are working together, we are looking at Christ. Christ, we are looking at, let's look at the deity. The deity, they are working together in unison. That's what we saw yesterday. Deity are working together in unison. Likewise with the church. When we read the book of 1 Corinthians 12:15 to 27, 1 Corinthians 12:15 to 27, let's see 12:15 to 27. 15 say that, if the foot should say, because I am not a hand, I am not of the body, it is therefore not uh, of the body. For in fact, the body is not a member, but many. If the foot should say, because I am a hand, I am not of the body, is therefore not of the body. And if the ear should say, because I am not an eye, I am not of the body, it is therefore not of the body. If the whole body were an eye, where would be the hearing? If the holy were hearing, where will be the smelling? But how God has set the members of each one of them in the body just as pleased. And if they were all one members, where would the body be? But now, indeed, there are many members, yet one body. And the eye cannot say to the hand, I have no need of you, nor again the head to the feet, I have no need of you. No much. Rather, those members of the body which seem to be weaker are necessary, and those members of the body which think to be less honorable, on this we bestow greater honor, and our unpresentable parts have greater modesty. So you see, they have different parts of the body, and each part has its own function. But what do we see here? None which is complaining. They are working together in unison. You see, they are working together in unison. But why are they working, and how? Why do you see them working together? It's because there is love in them. There is love in them. None complaining. None complaining. The same way we should work together in the church. God has given us different types of gifts. He has given us different types of gifts, and we need to do what? We need to work together in unity, or you can say in unison. That is Monday part of the lesson. Thank you.